Good afternoon, guys. This is Phon-Er Gold. This is vlog 121. We are on our way to Studio City. We're halfway there to fix an iPhone 7 Rose Gold Plus. It's just the screen is cracked and we have to just replace the entire thing, and it should be fun. This is one of the complex phones that usually we get to repair, but we're already used to it. I mean, before it was kind of complex because it was just because everything is so sensitive, the cables and the wires, but then with a matter of like practice, everything just becomes perfect, so it should be not as bad as we may think, as you may think. So yeah, so this one is gonna go down in the next few minutes, so we'll keep you posted and show you how it goes down. So stay put and we'll be right back. Scott. Hey guys, we just got to the destination at the Studio City, and this is the area. It's pretty nice and chill, relaxing, not so noisy, very quiet, very chill. And that's a little rush hour, so you'll still see traffic, but usually it's very quiet. But we're here and we are about to go down with the repair, so stay tuned for some pink action coming your way. Pink alert. Peace. Cut.
The next attack is a devastating 3-hour ordeal.
Hey guys, that was about it. We just did that phone. It was an iPhone 7 Plus Rose Gold, and we changed the screen, and we put a brand new original Apple one, and everything worked. The proximity, which is the worst part of that screen, when you change it, actually worked fine. So everything was perfectly working afterwards, which is great, because usually it's always problematic. I think you gotta like tweak things, but something worked out. He was happy. He was super happy that his wife was gonna be happy, because it was for his wife. And everything worked out great. So we are now just driving. Just gonna drop this here. Actually, we're gonna get the screen out. The aftermarket thing. Got this screen to recycle for 30 bucks, which is great. 40 bucks. That'll do. That's about it, guys. and now we're gonna go home and do some editing so we can put the video up for you guys to see. Same day service, so that you won't have to wait for videos to be uploaded a day late. So this way you get to be with us on an everyday base and on the same day on the fly. Thank you for watching this Phon-Er Gold, and this is vlog 121, and we'll see you in vlog 122. Have a beautiful, beautiful day, and thanks again. Peace. Cut. That's a wrap.